Welcome to Great Life Zone channel. Your success depends on where you place your attention. In everyday life, our focus is poor as our attention is scattered. We focus on our bills, on whether we can get the kids to school on time, or whether we are going to get a promotion, and hundreds of other things, all at the same time. This is the beta state of mind, where the brainwaves are 13 to 38 Hertz. These are brainwaves of everyday mind state, perfect for multitasking. This is basically a state of alertness. Beta level brainwaves are not the best state of mind for manifestation because your mind is over attentive to the outer world and the focus is too scattered. This also explains that if you have been trying to use a technique like affirmations to manifest, it's tough to get your affirmations to manifest your desires at the beta level of mental state. Your affirmations lack power. For manifestation process to be effective, what we need is alpha brainwaves at 8 to 12 Hertz. Alpha brainwaves are slower and larger. They are associated with a state of relaxation and represent the brain shifting into an idling gear, waiting to respond when needed. If we close our eyes and begin picturing something peaceful, there shall be an increase in alpha brainwaves. Or we need theta brainwaves at 4 to 7 Hertz. These brainwaves represent a daydreaming state of mind. Theta brainwave activity is a very relaxed state representing the twilight zone between waking and sleep. You can create whatever you decide to manifest. In effect, you can create something out of nothing. The proof is that you are already manifesting the life and circumstances which currently surround you. If you wish to, you can change these circumstances and manifest something better or different. All it takes is a secret ingredient. The secret ingredient to manifestation is meditation. When you meditate, you put your mind and also body at a state of relaxation. You will discover that it's easier to manifest what you want as your focus is single pointed. It is focused like a laser beam. When your attention is so sharply focused on what you desire, it manifests, and often more quickly than you thought it would be possible. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, and better twice a day if possible, you can change your life. You can manifest anything realistic that you truly desire. This sounds like an extreme claim, but it's quite easy to test it for yourself. After all, everyone can spare a few minutes a day. Perhaps you have already tried affirmations to manifest something, a new car, a great job, or a better relationship. But when nothing changed, you stopped, almost convinced that affirmations were ineffective. Well, the affirmations do work. However, they work when you are in an accepting meditative state and you repeat your affirmations. Because in this state, you are much more powerful. Your attention is focused. So when you combine the manifestation process with meditation, you are working with yourself rather than against yourself. Experienced meditators say that they know when what they desire is on its way to them. They sense a click, a feeling of connection. When this connection happens, they know that their desire is definitely going to manifest. This connection always happens in a meditative state. This manifestation meditation process takes just about 10 to 15 minutes a day for 7 days. To enhance the effectiveness, you can make meditation easier by using audio frequencies or some brain frequency program to get help into the alpha or theta level faster. Just listen to your chosen program and you will naturally access a meditative state. You'll find some recommendations in the description box below. In just 10 minutes a day, you will discover that what you truly want, and also you will make better connection with the universe that shall let you know that what you want is on its way to you. Emptiness and compassionate silence. This manifestation exercise starts with relaxation, silence, and with complete acceptance. In the silence over the next days, you will find that your true desires will come to you. So for this day's meditation, just relax. Focus on your breath coming in and going out. Let go of your unwanted thoughts and release worries and tensions. If you are listening to alpha or theta beats or some brain program, put on your headphones and sit down or lie down in a comfortable position with your spine straight and relax. Once you are in a complete relaxed state, your mind is calm, bring to mind someone or a light or energy that you associate with compassion. This may be a spiritual figure or a place in nature or the earth as such or the stars or the space. Imagine this being or this place in your mind and allow yourself to feel compassion and kindness that's reaching to you as well. Enjoy the compassionate presence for a few minutes. Intuition and ideas. On this day, relax completely and be absolutely at peace again. Let your mind be clear of any chattering, worries, etc. Of course, you can put your headphones on and allow the program to carry you into alpha or theta. Make sure you are not driving or operating any machine. Gradually, peace will encompass you. After a few moments, ask for your compassionate being to extend kindness to you again, or allow yourself to feel this kindness from nature. Now, bring to mind what you want to manifest. You may know what this is, but don't be surprised if you envision something completely different than what you wish to manifest. Maybe universe find this to be better than what you desired. Take a few deep breaths and go into deep state of relaxation. If you feel that you are becoming uncomfortable, this could sometimes be your too much attachment to your desires that make it uncomfortable. Watch for harmony in your daily life. We are all intuitive, but more often than not, we suppress this intuition. Your daily meditations will lead you to encountering synchronicities with the universal power in your daily life. Just take note of these events when they occur. They are a sign that you have made a connection, that your meditation is working. Expression. In today's meditation, access the peaceful and the compassionate state again. Allow yourself to be completely relaxed and feel happy and serene. Some of you may even find themselves slightly smiling during the meditation. If you have decided on what you want to manifest, state it aloud if you are alone. If you are not alone, whisper softly, I want to manifest a new car. I want to manifest a new job with a 30% more salary than I am earning. Or, I want a new relationship. I want to find my true soulmate. Emotionalize. In this day's meditation, reach the tranquil and the compassionate state again, and you will be able to go to the theta or alpha levels faster. Now state your desired manifestation as though you already have what you want. previous day you made the connection and now feel as if what you desire is already yours. Since you have it, say it that way. I now have my beautiful new car. Or I love my new job with higher salary. Or I and my soulmate have found each other and life is so beautiful. Allow yourself to feel actually happy. Be grateful that you have what you want. Express your gratitude to the universe that what you have asked for has been given to you. When your meditation is over, it is possible you may feel an impulse to do something, like make a phone call, or speak to someone, or take a particular action. This impulse arrives without emotion. This is your intuition sending you a message. The working of your intuition has been triggered by your meditations, and raising your vibrations through meditation will help you to manifest faster, activating second chakra of energy. This day, you are ready to activate your inner power. You are going to activate your will in your meditation. Your will isn't what is commonly thought of as willpower. Your will is decision and acceptance. Sit in the meditation and begin to relax. Connect with the Supreme Power and enter the zone of silence and compassion. These are the mental states you have reached before also. Once again, state your manifestation desire as though you already have it. Say, I now have my beautiful new car. Or, I love my new job with increased salary. Or, I and my soulmate have found each other and life is beautiful. Now access your will zone, which is centered in your hara. In Indian yogic tradition, this area of belly is called Swadhisthana chakra, while in the Japanese tradition it is called the hara or belly. We may simply call it the second chakra in our energy body. The source of your will and power is your hara, a point inside your body, about 2 inches below your navel. It is a major focus of chi or life force energy in your body. Imagine this point in your body as a small area of red glowing light, like a candle flame or a glowing ball of energy. Feel the bodily sensations that you have in your hara area. Don't try to change them in any way. Just feel any tightness or notice any other sensation. Then allow the restriction you have there to release and allow the energy of your hara center to flow up your spine and out of the top of your head. Visualization. Begin this day's meditation as you usually do. Get into the mental state of peace and compassion again. Once again, state your manifestation desire as though you already have what you want. Celebrate it in your mind, feeling happy and grateful for your changed circumstances with the manifestation which is already yours. Now, let your attention move to your hara center. Imagine the light in your hara and feel the sensations. Let the energy of your hara center expand and flow up your spine and reach out to the top of your head. As you release this energy, visualize and feel your manifestation. You may picture it in any way you can, whether it's by visual images, by sounds, by feelings. Visualize your new life with your manifestation as part of it. Imagine events, complete with sight and sound. For example, driving your new car or working happily at your dream job in your new office. See what does your family or friends think about your manifestation. Manifestation. This is the last stage of your manifestation and the last step of your manifestation process. You may or may not realize it consciously, but your manifestation is on its way. In today's meditation, repeat the same process you have been following over the past days and go through all the 6 stages. In brief, these stages are Stage 1. Welcoming and accepting silence and compassionate state. Stage 2. Speak your manifestation aloud or silently and feel the emotions of its fulfillment. Stage 3. Sense the energy in your Hara center or second chakra and allow it to move up and out of your body. Stage 4. Imagine your life with the manifestation complete. You can continue to use this process. Your life has already begun to change. Keep growing and manifesting by using this simple meditation. Over time, you can access this manifestation mind state within a few seconds in your daily life. For example, if you are about to enter a negotiations meeting, use the meditation to both relax yourself and manifest a wonderful outcome. I hope you will find this video useful. You will like to read the detailed article with more suggestions on this subject. We have given the link in the description box below. Please do share and like the video. I would also urge you to visit our website powerfulmoneyaffirmations.com and also do get connected with our social media. The link to our social media pages is on your screen. We keep putting up useful videos, articles on our website and also Facebook page. We would love to see and respond to your comments, suggestions and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.